Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to create your WhatsApp community group. Let's get into the video. So if you don't yet have this feature on your WhatsApp, you simply need to go to Play Store or Apple Store and update your WhatsApp to the latest version. Once you do that, you simply click on this icon. Once you are there, you click on what? New community. So guys, you simply need to put your community name. So with this, you can actually add even people you don't know. That is, people that you don't have their contacts on WhatsApp. You can actually add them on WhatsApp community. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. After that, you put your description. Once you're done with that, you can add your profile, but I will leave it like that. So after that, I'll simply click on what? Next. Once I'm there, you can simply create a new group, or you can add existing group. So I'll simply add existing group. That is, the people that are in that group that I'm the admin, will automatically add inside the WhatsApp community. So I'm going to choose my community groups. So after that, I'll simply click on what? Next. So you can add as many groups as you want that you are admin in that group. So after that, I'll simply click on what? Next. Done. So guys, that's it. We are just on creating our WhatsApp community group. So guys, this is it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.